The PARI Filter Valve Set protects the ambient air and therefore prevents other people from being exposed to medication unintentionally. Exhaled aerosol is captured by the PARI filter pad as the patient exhales. Therefore, this aerosol does not disperse into the environment. Place the PARI filter pad into the upper part of the exhalation filter. Then insert the lower part of the exhalation filter and close the exhalation filter by turning the lower section clockwise until it stops. Then insert the Y piece into the exhalation filter. Do this by attaching the ribbed lower section of the assembled exhalation filter to the angled arm of the Y piece. Connect the PARI Filter Valve Set onto the eFlow Rapid handset and connect the mouthpiece to the free end of the filter valve set. Only use the mouthpiece without expiratory valve supplied with the PARI Filter Valve Set. If using a mouthpiece with an expiratory valve, the PARI Filter Valve Set will not function properly. Then inhale, as described in the instructions for use, for the eFlow Rapid Nebulizer system. Please always follow the relevant instructions for use when using and cleaning your PARI Filter Valve Set. The PARI Filter Valve Set.